Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be sharing a layout I created with my favorite set of all time from Altenew, and this is a die set with butterflies. If you know me, you will know that I love butterflies. I love using them on my layouts. I have them on nearly every layout. And so when I saw this die set, I thought it was just perfect. So I chose a really bright colored background from the Live Your Dream collection, and because I didn't have any matching cardstock, I created my own little cardstock pieces just by using the Altenew artist brushes, and I wasn't too worried about having everything nicely blended because I did like that kind of rough look. So here I created a card with a couple of greens and blues, and I'm going to go in with some peachy pinks and reds. And once I'm happy with the different colors on my cardstock, I can cut out my butterflies. Now the wonderful thing about these butterflies is that you can use them on their own, or you can layer them as well. So you have got a solid image and then you've got a more detailed image, which makes these super versatile. You can cut them out of colored cardstock, color your own cardstock, create your own backgrounds and cut them out, or just use regular pattern paper. They are really such a fun set to use. So now that I have all my little butterflies, I am going to add a little bit more detail, a little bit of finesse to the layout, and I'm using the Wavy Outlines Die Set. This is a really fun die set and you can use it in many ways. I'm just going to cut it out of some regular white cardstock and just pop it on my layout. It will just break up those really bright colors. So now that I've got my butterflies and my little flower outlines, I can start putting the layout together. So I'm going to place my photo approximately in the center, but more to the bottom side of the layout, and then pop the outline flowers each in one corner of the photo. And then I will start arranging my butterflies around these flowers. Some of them I will layer, others I will just leave as they are, just so that those pretty colors can be seen. And a little later on, sorry about that, I will add a couple of pattern papers beneath the photo, and these pattern papers will be black and white, and this will just make the photo pop off the page a little bit more. Otherwise it just seems to get lost in all those colors. title, I used an acetate word, which is from the Reflection Scrapbook collection, if I'm not mistaken. And I just popped this onto the photo. And because it is acetate, you have this impression that the word awesome is just floating in the air. I also added a couple of little wood epoxy buttons from the Live Your Dream collection. And then I think that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this little video showcasing our lovely Mix and Match Mariposa die set with the butterflies and the wavy outlines. If you have any questions or any comments, just pop them in the comment section, and don't forget to visit the Altenew scrapbook blog if you want to participate in our giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon with another project for Altenew. Bye bye.